I bring up this simple point. How come somebody goes into politics without a pot to piss in, and then suddenly they're multimillionaires?
The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live for free on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. If you find this podcast valuable, please follow and share with a friend. And now, on with the show. Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. And you're listening to FX Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, US President Donald Trump responded with, "We'll see," when asked about the possibility of reciprocal tariffs. European stock markets showed a slight upward trend ahead of the US Consumer Price Index release, though optimism was tempered by tariff concerns. US futures were mixed, while the US dollar remained steady, and the Japanese yen weakened due to the current yield environment. US Treasury yields held steady before the CPI report, while German yields continued to rise. Crude oil prices fell after an unexpected increase in crude inventories, though there is reported optimism about resolving Middle Eastern tensions. Key events for the day include the release of US CPI data, OPEC's monthly oil market report, minutes from the Bank of Canada, speeches by Fed Chair Powell and other officials, and earnings reports from companies like Vertiv, CVS, Biogen, and Reddit. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave up next. Thanks for listening to FX Morning Mayhem podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you found this helpful.
Let's start with the instruments. So here we are. We have a uptrend looking for longs in the zone. So that is going on our list. Aussie New Zealand dollar, Aussie US dollar, nothing going on there. Euro Canadian dollar, downtrend. Oh, wait, skip that. Nothing's going on there. Pound Canadian dollar, here's a good one. Downtrend, looking for shorts in the zone, waiting for a sweet spot to form right here. So we'll mark that. New Zealand US dollar, downtrend, looking for shorts in the zone, waiting for a sweet spot to form. Singapore dollar, Swiss franc uptrend, looking for longs in the zone, sweet spot right here, hopefully. There's one there. US Canadian dollar, downtrend, looking for shorts in the zone, waiting for a sweet spot. US Swiss franc uptrend, looking for longs in the zone, waiting for a sweet spot right there. So once again, we have 5 instruments that look decent for a setup today.
Yep.
Okay, so on to the market insight section. My favorite topic, one of my pet peeves.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Doge is on the bone. All right. So
Yeah.
one of my most annoying things that happen in politics,
Okay.
and when I talk to folks who are clueless, I bring up this simple point. How come somebody goes into politics without a pot to piss in, and then suddenly they're multimillionaires? Doesn't that seem a little curious to you?
Unless you've been in politics.
Anyway, Musk has announced an investigation into federal employees with large increases in net worth relative to their salaries.
Oh, did he do that?
He did that yesterday, late
Oh,
last night. All right. This follows Trump's executive order for federal agencies to work with Doge. The investigation was prompted by reports that the former head of USAID, Samantha Powers, her net
mhm.
worth increased $30 million during her tenure, despite her salary of under $250,000. Musk said, federal employees might be profiting at taxpayers' expense.
You
Uh,
think?
you think? This comes amid broader efforts to address financial gains among government officials, including a bipartisan push to ban members of Congress from trading stocks. Oh my God, what am I going to do without my Pelosi investment app? Um, it'll take a hit. Which, by the way, those do great for all you people out there. Download
She's
the
doing
damn
better
app.
than Warren Buffett.
I know. These guys are
I mean,
like
red flag. Hello.
the Avengers of. So anyway, I thought that was great. And like you said, there is just not enough popcorn. It is just one thing after another, day by day. All right. That is all I got for today. Uh,
Alrighty.